guys, it's BrianaLynee back again with another video. I know it's been a while, 2 months, too long, whoever's counting. Today I'm going to show you how to do a real simplistic, elegant, natural hair updo starting on freshly washed hair. So after washing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and start my deep conditioning process, which I am going to be using Shea Moisture's Manuka and Honey Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. Y'all, this is thick. This is so thick, and y'all know I love thick deep conditioner. So I'm going to work this in my hair. This intensive protein treatment is something I decided to do just because, you know, I needed to show my hair some TLC. It's been a little minute since I've done, you know, anything to my hair. So I want to ensure that it is going to be revived, and I want to make sure that it is at its healthiest as well. So I have just been working this product in each section, and as you can see, my curls are like, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Okay, so if you are having a hard time working this product in your hair, be sure to add additional water. More water when you are using your deep conditioner will really help with the slip. So now that I am all done, I'm going to sit under the dryer for 30 minutes. And let me just tell y'all, my hair feels so soft. Okay, so now it's time for styling, and I'm going to be taking it back with Luster's Pink Hair Lotion. Y'all remember that? And I'm going to slick and slay with some edge control. I'm going to put all of the products down below in the description. So in case you're interested, you can try these products out too. But I am going to be working in sections. And as you can see, I'm starting with a low ponytail. I'm going to work up and do the same thing. Now, when I put my hair in a ponytail, I decided to, you know, razzle dazzle it, if you will, and throw some twists in there because I am going to be doing a protective style in the back, you know, a little updo, if you will. So you can see how I'm slicking down my hair. I am twisting it, and I will have some bobby pins to hold my hair in place as well. This style is super easy, y'all. And I would recommend doing this style when your hair is 100% dry. I did not stretch my hair. I just waited for it to be dry because if you do this and your hair is wet, it's going to shrivel up. Okay, and you want your twist to look full in the back. So just be mindful of your hair. You know your hair. I know that my hair thrives when it is a bit drier, so product can actually, you know, get into it. You also don't want to use a heavy product, which is why I use this light Luster's Pink hair lotion to provide my hair with some moisture but not weigh it down, because you want it to be full looking in the back. So I just kind of freestyled the back, and I just kind of felt my way through this, but I definitely use bobby pins to secure my hair as I'm just feeling around to try to get the desired style that I want. I don't have a mirror, so I'm not even sure what it's looking like at this point, but it feels all right. So make sure you have your bobby pins on standby. Now, it's all secure, okay? Way to secure to her. Now that it is secure, I'm going to move to the front. Now, my hair is a little bit dry, but that's okay. I'm going to be using Camille Rose's hair mousse, and I do have my spray bottle on standby. Okay, so I make sure that I wet my hair as needed, and then I apply the hair mousse, and then I use my flexi rod to secure the hair. Now, flexi rods really have me ready to square up with the first person I see because they can be so difficult, but y'all, practice makes perfect. I do have another video of how I did flexi rods, and I think I went a bit slower, so I will link that down in the description box as well, so I can help a friend out, okay? So I am just going to make sure that the front part, the bang part, is going to be full of flexi rods, and I'm just taking my time. I use one hand to actually wrap my hair and the other hand as a guide because, like I said, your girl be struggling just a little bit, but you know, I make it happen, and I'm getting better each time. So you all be encouraged and don't give up. If you guys don't want to use flexi rods, you could always do a twist out, a braid out, or whatever you want. So now that it is complete, I am going to go ahead, and I did sit under the dryer. Sitting under the dryer is so important. I sat under the dryer for about 30 minutes, an hour, and then I just left these flexi rods in my hair because I was prepared to get the worst sleep of my life this night. And as you guys can see, my hair has so much shine and definition. Sitting under the dryer will give you that salon hold that you want, and you can't go wrong with additional gloss. So I went in with Luster's Pink hair glosser. Y'all remember that from back in the day? You see that shine? Ooh, that girl good. So I really like using Camille Rose's styling foam hair mousse because it really provides me with great hold without the crunch. There is no white residue. My hair feels so soft, and honestly, it's really good hold. This is my go-to styling foam, so definitely recommend this. And as you guys can see, the results speak for themselves. So I really like this style. It was really simple to do. So let me know in the comments, what do you think of this style? Is this something that you would do? What would you do differently? Do you still use these products from Luster's Pink? Have you tried Shea Moisture? Let me know your hair regimen and what you're thinking. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.